Jiangyin Metallurgy hydraulic machinery factory has an area of more than 8,000 square meters and over 20 sets of metal processing machines and standard equipment. The factory has many years' experience in hydraulic machines production, accumulated experience and technology. The performance has always been in the leading position of the industry. Our products sell well throughout the country, including Taiwan, and more than 20 countries, including Canada, Russia, Malaysia, and by agent. Our machines passed CE certification. The factory's non-standard equipment, tailored for many domestic enterprises, solves their technical problems. At present, the factory has about 50 employees, 17 professional technicians, and keeps a long-term linking and cooperation with experienced experts of various industries to be dedicated to researching and manufacturing, supporting special hydraulic machines. From raw materials to final products, we strictly control every process to present the best products to customers. The factory always pays attention to the quality as the enterprise's life, treats employees as the soul of the company. From strict quality process control management to high-quality professional R&D team, what we have been pursuing is the continuously researched new processes and technologies based on customer feedback information. We will comply with the purpose of innovation, aggression, prudence, and practicability to provide you with the most scientific and efficient machines. We warmly welcome new and old customers to visit